Hi, I'm Steve Laidlaw, founder and CEO of Stelor. Today we're taking a look at the Level 3 Update tool. Traditionally, Level 3 updates are a multi-day project. Reaging components, applying inflation, updating budgets, rebuilding the financial model, reformatting the report. The Level 3 Update tool in the Stelor client portal collapses that into a guided wizard you can run in under 30 minutes. Here's how it works. With the original reserve study data on one side and the ongoing portal updates on the other, you set the update report date. The system automatically applies the 2 or 3 years that have passed to the effective age of every component, then applies inflation. For any project that was budgeted between the original study and now, the wizard asks the simple question: was it replaced, was it deferred, or do you plan to complete it in the next year or two? You answer and the system updates the timeline. Once that's handled, every component is laid out with updated costs ready for review, with the option to hard enter costs if you need to override the inflation calc. Then you enter the financial side: starting balance, new annual contributions, inflation, and interest. The system runs the forecast. You get an initial review screen to validate everything, and when you're ready, you compile. The output is a fully white labeled Level 3 update, custom templated to match your branding, colors, format, and layout exactly like the original study. Less than 30 minutes, start to finish, and more thorough than conventional updates.